Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to create Deliveroo rider account in the UK. For that, first of all, you need to come on deliveroo.co.uk and here you will see this apply now button. So you need to simply click on it. Now it will show you the steps in which your application will be processed. So first of all, we will be on the step 1. So here you need to select what's the main reason you would like to ride for Deliveroo. So you need to select your option from the given list. After selecting it, you just have to simply click on the next option and then it will ask you to select your country. So you just have to simply select UK and you need to select your city. So after selecting your city, you need to press next in the bottom. Then it will redirect you on the step 4, where you will have to provide your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number and select the vehicle type. So after filling these details, you will be proceeded on the 5th step, where it will ask you to provide or upload the related document that are associated with your vehicle type. So you need to upload them. You can see it over here as well, that you need to provide a government issued ID. It could be your driver's license or further details. So you need to provide those details in the 5th step. Then in the 6th step, you need to simply review your application and submit it. Within 24 hours, you are going to receive the email from Deliveroo whether your application is approved or not. If you are approved for Deliveroo, you can easily ride your vehicle and you can work for Deliveroo in the UK. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.